Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square for managing inventory and sales workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Square website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address associated with your Square account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you'll receive a code via your chosen method. Check your email or mobile device for the verification code. Enter the verification code into the appropriate field and click Verify. Once authenticated, you will be directed to your Square dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Inventory tab on the left menu. Click on the Inventory tab to view your current inventory items. To manage your sales workflows, navigate to the Sales tab, also found in the left menu. Click on the Sales tab to access your sales records and management tools. If you need to add new inventory items, click on the Add Item button. Fill out the required fields for the new inventory item, including name, price, and SKU. Save the item once all information is entered correctly. To adjust existing inventory, select an item from your inventory list. Make the necessary changes to the item details and click Save. For viewing sales analytics, navigate back to the Sales tab. Here you can analyze various sales metrics and trends. If you wish to log out, click on your account icon in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu to securely log out of your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.